Hi, everyone. Jean Voice Dart here with Courageous Creative Conquerors and my special guest, Charleen. What are we going to be talking about on our interview, Charleen?
Yeah, on an interview, I want to share with you a little bit about what courageous creative conquerors actually means for me. And then I want to explore a little bit about what expressive arts means for me and why that was so important as I wrote my chapter called Soul Notes in Expressive Dance to Empowerment and Liberation in the Expressive Arts book. And in that chapter, I talk about using music and dance to help us manage stress, release things in our body that no longer serve us, and help us get our bodies to a calm state so we go about our day in the best possible way.
That's something that I think everyone needs right now. Thank you so much, Charleen. I look forward to it, and I look forward to seeing all of you there. Thank you. Bye-bye.